Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting XLF file to Excel. You can see on my computer I have an XLF file. I can open it into double-click to open it into XLF viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of XLF file and allow me to filter some data. And you can see basically the most important thing in XLF file are resource name, source, and translation. I want to export only these three fields into Excel. I can do export Excel from a viewer. However, it will export like entire thing, but I want only these three fields to export it. In order to do this, I will download and install application from this website. To find application, click on search and type XLF to Excel. And then click on this page, click on download to start downloading application. I will be recording more videos on XLF files format and other files, other format for localizations and conversion from XLF to XLF. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And you can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside the archive to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on file screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this. And double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select input files, and we can select multiple files if we want to select like all files into one Excel. This is another thing that viewer cannot do. Like I can select multiple files here. Click on next step. Here I can select fields I need. I need translation resource name, translation source, and translation target. Yep. Click on next step and click on run to create XLS file. It will ask me for name and location of the file. This name location is okay. Just click save and file has been saved. Let's go see file. So I will. Oh, here it is. So I just double click to open it. It's Excel file viewer. Let's right click, open it with Excel mobile. I don't have Excel installed on this computer, and you don't need Excel installed, but there is a problem with this mobile Excel. It's not showing, like it's not allowing me to change anything. It's not showing it's correctly, but you can see it has three fields in it, and resource name, resource source, and translation is in here, right? So I see German text, I see English text here. Yep. And because I don't have Excel, I cannot resize and show you anything, and it's not showing correctly. So yeah, basically that's it. We created our Excel file. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.